Good day. I'd like to take a quick second to talk to you about an insurance video pack pre-done. It's a whiteboard video pack. Makes it very easy to put together some videos if you're in the insurance niche or you have some clients that are in the insurance niche. Let's take a quick look at their sales page. It'll give you a good indication of what it's all about.
How would you like to have your own set of professional whiteboard videos that you could sell to your clients for $299 or more? If you have been avoiding whiteboard videos because you think they will be too expensive or difficult to make, it is time to rethink your marketing strategy. This done-for-you whiteboard video pack removes all the stress, the cost, the headache of creating these videos yourself. Instead of spending weeks or months trying to learn how to create this type of videos, why not use this done-for-you video pack so you can focus on your work, not on creating videos? All videos have full HD resolution, professional script, professional voiceover, and amazing graphics. Did you know that using whiteboard animation videos can increase your sales and conversions up to 280%? Video agencies usually charge hundreds or even thousands of dollars to produce these types of videos. Now, you can get these amazing whiteboard videos at a very low price. This special price is only available for a limited time. Make a smart decision. Get your discounted copy today.
Including in this pack is 20 done-for-you whiteboard videos for all different areas of the insurance business. You can see on the bottom footer there that you can add your own logo, your website and telephone number, and then simply upload those to whatever social media or YouTube to drive your business to. They're fully PowerPoint, and yeah, that package is $19.99. So stop making videos and use that time to convert. Have a great day. If you like the video, please subscribe, and we'll see you with the next product very soon.